How to fix this app won't work for your device in Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner and then select on Manage your Google account. Next, tap on Data and Privacy over here and then scroll down and tap on Apps and Services. Now as you do that, you'll be able to see all the services that you use from Google. So just scroll down and tap on Google Play Settings over here. Now as you tap on Settings, what you can simply do is you can scroll down and tap on the Update option over here. So make sure that you have the latest and updated version of Google Play Store app on your device. Next, go back and tap on the Settings application on your device and then tap on the About Phone option over here. Now tap on it and then select on Check for Updates, and you'll be able to see that if your phone is updated to its latest version or not. After that, you'll be able to fix this issue of not working your device in the Play Store. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.